In this presentation, I'll be demonstrating how to use Python for basic data analysis and visualization. The purpose of this activity is to install the pandas and Matplotlib libraries, load a dataset, analyze the data, and create a visual representation of the results. For this project, I use a Superstore dataset to calculate store sales, total sales, average profit, and compare sales across different regions. This presentation will walk through each step of the process from installation to analysis and visualization. This slide shows the final output of my data analysis using Python. First, I loaded the dataset using pandas and explored the data using functions like head and info to understand its structure. Then I calculated key metrics such as total sales and average profit to get a basic understanding of the dataset. Next, I grouped the data by region and created a bar chart using the Matplotlib to visualize total sales. From the chart, we can see that the South region has the highest sales, while the other regions like the East, West, and Central have lower totals. Overall, this shows how even a small data set can be analyzed and visualized to quickly identify trends and insights. And in this slide, I installed the required Python libraries, which are the pandas and the matplotlib. I used the pip install command in the terminal to install both libraries. After installation, I imported them into the Python and verified that they were working correctly by checking their version numbers. This step ensures that the environment is properly set up before performing any analysis. And this slide here just shows the full code that was implemented. From analyzing the data set, I learned that the South region had the highest total sales compared to the other regions. The East, West, and Central regions all had lower sales, which shows there are differences in performance depending on location. Even with a small data set, this kind of analysis makes it easy to quickly identify trends and understand where the business is strongest or weakest. Visualizations improve decision making because they turn raw data into something easier to understand. Instead of reading numbers in a table, a chart allows you to quickly compare regions and see patterns. For example, the bar chart clearly showed that the South region had higher sales than the others. This makes it easier for businesses to identify trends and make informed decisions. To explore the dataset further, I could analyze profit by category to see which products are most profitable. I could also compare sales by customer segment to understand customer behavior. Another option would be to track sales over time to identify trends. These additional analysis would provide deeper insights and improve business decision making. In conclusion, this project demonstrated how to use Python for data analysis and visualization. I successfully installed the required libraries, loaded the datasets, and explored data using pandas. I also calculated important metrics such as total sales and average profit to better understand the dataset. Using the Matplotlib, I created a bar chart that clearly showed sales by region, making it easier to compare performance. Overall, this project shows how Python can turn raw data into meaningful insights that support data-driven decision making. Thank you.